In this lecture, we will learn how we can use index and conditional columns in Power BI. So if you go to this add column section, you will see two options. One is conditional column and one is index column. So what index column is, basically this index column uniquely identifies each row of a data. Now let me quickly show you what it does. So if you don't need to click anywhere, just click on index column. If you just click on it, you see it will add a new column that says starting from 0 to how many rows you have, it will just go on. So this index column, why do we use index column? We use index column just to use it as an ID, just to let's say I have two data, I mean more than one data in my data model, so I can create relationship between them. So that's why this index column is used. Now there are a couple of options in this index column option. So you see, if you want to start it from 0, you can just click here. So by default it is actually 0. Now if you don't want to start it from 0, you want to start it from 1, you can just click here and it will start from 1. It has added one more, I don't need that. I will just undo it and I will go here and I will click on from 1. So if you click on from 1, it will start from 1. Now there is another option, that is custom. So if you go to custom, and if you, let's say you want it to be a start index, let's say you want to start it from 10, and the increment it should be incremented with 5. Now if I click on OK, so you will see that it will start from 10 and it will increment with 5. So 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, like this. Now next we have the conditional column. So the conditional column is basically, if you have one column and you want to create some values depending on that column values, you can do that using a conditional column option. Let's say for an example, if you have, let's say we have this order quantity. So what we can do, if the order quantity is 1, we can say it's a single item, and if the quantity is more than 1, we can say it's a multiple quantity order, right? So what we can do, we will just go to this conditional format, conditional column option, and you can choose the column name. So I will choose custom order quantity. So you can write it here, custom order quantity. And now you want to choose the column name. So my column name should be order quantity here. And if this order quantity is less than is less than, or let's say you want to do it equals, whatever, you can do whatever you want. So let's say if my order quantity equals 1, I can write here. So you see the in this output it says abc 1 2 3. So whatever value, let's say you want to put it in an integer format, you can do that. If you want to put it in a text format, you can do that too. So Power BI will detect that for you, right? Now the output should be, I should write a single item, and I will add a clause. And this clause, you see, the first one is if order quantity equals 1, then write single item. Now else if this order quantity is not 1, what it will do? So I will just select order quantity. Now else if the order quantity is greater than 1, then I will say it's a multiple item. I can just write it like this and I will click OK. So you will see a new column will be added here, and wherever we have the order quantity 1, it will say it's a single item. Wherever we have more than 1, it will say multiple item. Just to show you an example how this works. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.